So guys, I want to show you how amazing the finish can be once you do the clay and then you put your wax on top. This is after it rained. Now, if you remember, I clay barred the whole entire car and I put that hybrid ceramic Meguiar's wax sealant on it. And check that out. And this was probably, I'd say 2 weeks after I clayed it. So definitely enhances it. I always heard that by clay barring a car, it enhances the properties of your wax sealant. It really does. It gives it a smooth surface to apply to. I've noticed that. Notice after clay barring it, when I applied that sealant, it spread a lot easier on the surface because it wasn't grabbing all that contaminant. I mean, this is just me pulling in all the water beading. If you look at it, really good here. And what I've noticed on this, as you're driving, just the air pushes all the water off the car. So I would highly recommend, before you guys wax your car, definitely invest in a clay bar. It blew me away how great it works. It really does. I never did the clay bar on my old car, and now I wish I would have, because man, it makes a difference. I even clay barred this spoiler here, and look at the water bead up on it. It's super slick. When the water comes off, you can just tell the surface is clean. It's perfectly smooth. I couldn't believe what came off of it when I cleaned it. I mean, that was after a nice wash. I thought, oh, it's clean. Then use the clay bar and it just pulls all the pollen and junk that's embedded in the clear coat. It looks really good. And you'll notice if you do this, when you're driving around, you'll notice when you go park, a lot of the water is already off the car. Like this, it was pouring out and there's not much water left on this car. And I just pulled it in here. So here was the clay. I still have, you get 3 bars if you use the Meguiar's kit. Mother's has it. There's a lot of companies that make it. Just be aware of what kind of clay you're getting, because there's different like aggressiveness, I guess you could say, strengths. You want to get something really mild, especially on a new car. You don't need something crazy with it. But check that out. Even did the headlights. So I highly recommend doing that. If you guys haven't, if you guys are nervous to, it's easy to do. You just do the entire car. The main thing is you don't use pressure. You just use that detailer spray as a lubricant and you just slide it back and forth. Really easy. You don't push it into the paint because that could scratch the paint. Really easy. And the clay will do the work itself. You don't have to use pressure on it. So it's the main tip I could say. Like I said, I'm kind of blown away by it because all the years here, I've never done it. You know, you assume it's a brand new car, oh, the paint's great, but we know that's not the truth. And that extra step is crucial. So every car I have now, I'm going to clay bar it first before waxing it, for sure. I mean, the difference it makes is incredible. And it's not me trying to sell you a product, nothing like that. It's my honest opinion. Once you do it, you'll believe it. It's like it's super slick and it makes the finish really nice. So again, I just want to share that with you guys. Definitely try it if you haven't already. I think you guys will love it and you'll be amazed by the results you get. You really will. Okay, so hope that helps you guys out. Hope everyone's doing good out there. I'll have another video coming up shortly and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks everybody.